Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate using range confirmation. Range confirmation is very valuable in the field when you're testing to see whether or not you've got good radio signal strength between a link sensor and the lighting controller. The sensor and the controller will start a small dialogue between each of them. The sensor will send a special telegram to the controller, and the controller will respond back with its received signal strength, which the sensor will then display using one of the LEDs inside the sensor. So it gives the installer visual indication of whether or not this is a good location to install that sensor. So in order to do that, these devices do need to be linked together, and the lighting controller, which I have attached to this lamp, does need to be powered and on. So I need to access the sensor's teach button in order to do this. You should not have any devices in the area that are repeating any telegrams as well. So repeaters should all be off. Press and hold the teach button in for 6 seconds. And I'm going to enter into the sensor test mode. First level is the blinking green, which indicates the light level test. I'm going to want to go to the second level, which is the amber flashing, and that's range confirmation. I press and hold that button in again for 6 seconds. And that will start the test. So I'll release, and you'll notice the green, amber, and red LEDs now blink a couple of times. As the sensor sends telegrams to the controller will respond back with the signal strength that it received. So I'm getting a green LED response back, green being the best signal strength, amber being okay, and red being not so good. You might want to move the sensor. If I don't see any feedback, that means that there is no reception of the telegrams at the lighting controller, which means you really do need to move the sensor. So this test will continue on for about 100 seconds. In order to exit this mode, I can just simply press the teach button again to exit, or I can allow it to time out. For more information on these test modes or any of the Echoflex products, please visit our website at echoflexsolutions.com.